Hi, I'm Andrea Metcalf with some kitchen tricks and tips. If you're short on time but you need a quick meal, stop over at the grocery store and pick up some tilapia, spinach, salsa, black beans, and corn, fresh or frozen. Now you're gonna need about 4 ounces of tilapia per person, and you can fit up to 16 ounces in the pan. You'll need 1 bag of spinach, or about 3 to 4 cups. The salsa should be about 4 to 6 ounces, 1 can of beans that you're going to rinse in a nice colander, and then have them ready to mix. Take your corn, fresh or frozen, drop it in the bowl, along with your beans, and lastly, your salsa. You're gonna mix this together. Now this is such an easy meal, and it only takes about 10 minutes. This is gonna be the base of your pan. Once that's mixed lightly, get a nice skillet with a lid. Now you don't have to use cooking spray. You can actually just use the steam from the pan. So I'm gonna put this aside and save the calories. Go ahead and mix and drop this into the bottom of the pan. Spread it out, and next layer the pan with spinach to cover it completely. Just on the bottom. And now my fresh spinach. This is gonna create the layer between the veggies and the beans and the salsa to really steam up my fish. Cover it completely. And then you're gonna add your fresh fish. Layer them right on top. Now you won't believe me, but really, any white fish works well on this dish, and it's gonna come out just fantastic. Sprinkle with a little salt and pepper. And then I like to add paprika as well. Now, take it over to the stove. Now, cover the lid on medium heat and just walk away and leave it for 10 minutes. This looks amazing. And just again, that was only 10 minutes. And the best part is, you've got your beans, your corn, your salsa, and your beautiful fish, all ready to eat. Give it a little extra. Bon appetit. I'm Andrea Metcalf. Be healthy and be moved.